Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove and uninstall the Agile plugin of RedmineUP from Redmine version 7. Currently, this is the very latest version of Redmine. It was released a couple of months ago. And currently, we are in the middle of 2026, and it is going to happen on the Linux Ubuntu 26.04. This means that it was released on April this year, and it is also on LTC Ubuntu. That means long-term support, so it is going to be active a lot of years ahead. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is to just open our Linux terminal and then change the directory to the Redmine where it is installed. Please make sure that you have the correct path. In my case, it is installed into this directory, in this path, and in your case, it could be installed somewhere else. So please double check this before you start anything. Okay, so the very first command that we need to execute is the opposite command of the migration when you install the plugin. So this is going to remove the tables from the database, and it is going to happen via the command sudo bundle exec rake redmine plugins, name of the plugin, that is in our case Redmine Agile, and here is the crucial point, that is version 0. Okay, yeah, so version 0. This is going to actually remove the tables. And also the last parameter is Rails and production. This is pointing the server to be a production one. Okay, so we click enter and see now what will happen. Okay, these roles mean here that the tables are successfully removed. So we see here remove index and so on, drop table and so on. Yeah, so we have successfully done this step. And actually, the second step is to just remove the folder from the Redmine plugins. Yeah, so before that, we go to the plugins folder, list the files, and see that this is our folder Redmine Agile. And if we go to the file system, we also see the folder here. So it is the same path, of course. And now our job is to remove this folder, and it is going to happen with the command sudo remove and the name of the folder, that is Redmine Agile. This is it. So if we list again, we see that the Agile is no more appearing here. And when you go to the file system, we see that indeed it is not here anymore. Okay, and the very last step that we need to do is to just restart our Redmine. So in my case, it is running in a terminal, so I just need to close the terminal and open it again. In your case, it could be something different. For example, if you are running the Redmine onto a virtual machine, onto Bitnami Redmine, then you need to switch off the virtual machine, then switch it on. And there are many other ways of restarting, but in my case, it is running into the terminal. So here it is. It is started into this way and it is now running. Okay. So if I close this terminal, then my Redmine is down. It is not working. Okay. So if I start it again from the terminal, then this is it. This is my way of restarting Redmine. So I change the directory to Redmine again and start it into this command. Okay, so it has been starting now. And if I go back here and refresh, it is up and running, and see that I do not have the Agile plugin anymore. It is successfully and completely removed and uninstalled from our Redmine 7.0.0 stable. So yeah, this was the video how to uninstall the Agile plugin, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. You could subscribe to our YouTube channel, and Yeah, if you have some problems or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye for now.